Hi, John here. In this video, I will explain you why now, after iOS 14, you should not use Facebook automated rules because, well, it's not working and Facebook is basically feeding you with like fake numbers. First, if you like my channel and you would like to see more of my videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And also, if you have some interesting ideas about future videos, then definitely comment below. And also, if you are still not in that federation, my free Facebook mastermind group, where basically you will find people who run in e-commerce millions of dollars, every month, then definitely join that group as well. So for all of you that purchase my book, you know that on this page, you will find all my automated rules that I was basically using, well, in last month, and the reason why I use only some of them, especially CPC rule that you will find there as well, is that after iOS 14, well, Facebook changed, right? Because iOS 14 means that Apple, start like blocking Facebook tracking for some users, so Facebook needed to like change the algorithm a lot, because basically what Facebook did, that they were getting all this data, and they were doing like a lot of predictions and, well, really like working hard with data. And when Apple decided to basically start blocking the tracking, Facebook started having like holes in their data, right? So they needed to improvise, and basically they kind of like change everything, So now they're trying to guess, what ads had converted and what ads had got add to carts, and all that. Well, problem is that this is not really working, When that iOS 14 hit, I remember that first like a week or two we were getting like some partial numbers and Facebook was still getting ready for like some brutal change, and then when they did that another wave, and change it, I remember I was getting just like 10% of conversions, now it's like a lot better, but basically now it's all based on Facebook, trying to estimate numbers, they try to like really like guess numbers, and since they are guessing a lot of numbers, tons of numbers are completely fake. Well, Facebook Ads Manager is like a huge faker right now, right? Because I see there like tons of conversions, that didn't happen, and then I see like a lot of ad sets that have little like zero conversions, and they in reality converted, and how I know it? Well, first I use Hyros, okay? This is like a third-party software that will connect to my store, to API, to basically everything. It uses also like a UTM tracking code. So basically, Hyros sees everything. There are like some other couple companies. I use only Hyros. And I will show now, for example, how important it is to know the numbers, right? There are like two situations that you need to know your numbers. Well, first, when you are testing products, because if you are like a dropshipper and you are constantly testing products, and you don't see that product converted, or you don't know what ad sets converted or what ad sets you should push next day, to see if the product is really winning, then you are like in very like bad position, a very dangerous position, because you need to spend tons of money on testing and you have absolutely no idea what they are doing there and what is converting, what you should stop, what you should like increase, whatever, okay? When you are scaling, it's even like more hardcore, especially when you are using ABO and like small ad sets, like a $20 budget ad sets, and you have like thousands of them, then you are like really like fucked, because if you don't know which one of them converted or not, you don't know what to stop, and you are completely, like running blind. I will now show you example, of my product that I'm testing right now, okay? This is like first day of testing, and I will show you exactly what Facebook sees and compare it with Hyros, okay? And you will see like how fake Facebook is right now. Okay, so you can see here that this is Hyros, and well, so Facebook says that here I have 0.7 ROAS, but in reality I have 2.14, okay? I know exactly what asset convert, when it converts, and how much money it made, okay? And basically you can see that next day I would not see conversion here, I would not be able to push this ad set, I would not be able to push this ad set and this ad set, okay? It was lucky because it says that, okay, this ad set converted 2 times, and it did, okay? But the is that it completely ignores, other free conversions, and basically already it made 122, and I spent 57, okay? So in reality, this looks like a good day of testing, you know. I mean, it's like a still middle of day, so those numbers will change, but still, it completely ignores, you know, most of conversions, you know. So Facebook is like a complete fakery, okay? Because they don't really know what converts, you know. They cannot, you know, like guess it, they cannot fake it. And I'm surprised that a lot of people still believe this, you know, because they still make decisions based on its manager, which is completely fake, you know. I mean, there is like nothing that you can use in real world, you know. I mean, you're using like real money to invest, but you are making decisions based on fake data, okay? This is not really like cool, you know, it's definitely not professional from Facebook side, you know. I would definitely suggest all of you to use something like a Hyros, okay? Because if you're running some bigger budget, you will be in like a big problem, you know. And that's why I'm talking about those automated rules and why you shouldn't use them, okay? Because if you use automated rules and basically those rules will be making decisions based on Facebook's data, then you will kill all these ad sets that converted, you know, because Facebook didn't see them, you know. And same thing for add to carts. Facebook don't see properly add to carts. So if you have like rules like me that are like heavily dependent on to carts or purchases, you know, and all that, Facebook will make decisions based on data that they don't have or that they completely fake, you know, which is not really like it doesn't make any sense, you know, why they should probably like delete those rules, you know, to be honest, like, because you cannot let Facebook decide what to stop, you know, if more than 50% of their numbers are completely wrong, you know. So definitely like think about this, you know, because this is not a joke, okay? This is like serious, okay? They are like absolutely like fucking with your money, you know, and yeah, like think twice about using automated rules because it's like a lottery, okay? They are completely like gambling here. They just think, okay, this may be converted, this may be not converted, this or maybe not, and then they are completely like making these decisions on your own ad account, you know. So I would suggest to not use automated rules till they will fix it, if they will fix it in the future. Maybe they will never fix it, okay? So yeah, think twice. Or I think there is even like some other software that can like connect with Hyros and have automated rule option in them, so it stop ads based on Hyros data. So I would probably think about that, you know, if you are like some high level marketer, because these things are not cheap, okay? But you cannot run without them. So definitely like stop using those automated rules, you know. You can use CPC rules, you know. You can also find them in my book. And well, yeah, so definitely like think about this, you know, and not use this. So thank you very much for watching. And if you are an e-commerce owner, you know, and you are ready to hit 20K, you know, and you are right now running on like $500 per day, $1,000 per day in sales, and you don't know how to scale because it's like very inconsistent, then definitely schedule a call with me, you know, on call@fresh.com, where we can have like a free scaling call together and see if you are good for my coaching program, where I basically take people from those $500, $1,000 per day to 20K per day, okay? So definitely schedule a free call with me. Don't forget to join Adferation, and I will see you in next video. Bye.